Getting ready for Easter but want your home to truly feel joyful and festive? Looking for Easter decoration ideas that feel fresh, stylish and family-friendly? Wondering how to decorate without spending too much or overdoing the theme? Want decor that works beautifully for brunch, kids, guests and cozy spring vibes? Curious how to blend traditional Easter charm with modern home styling? Then stay right here, because today we're diving into Easter decoration ideas that will turn every corner of your home into a bright, welcoming celebration of spring. What defines the perfect Easter decoration theme? Easter decor is all about light, freshness and renewal. Soft pastel colors, floral accents, natural textures, and playful Easter symbols like eggs and bunnies create a cheerful atmosphere. The goal is to keep the decor airy and joyful while celebrating the spirit of spring and togetherness. Which color palette works best for Easter decorations? Pastels like blush pink, mint green, lavender, baby blue and soft yellow are classic Easter favorites. These shades instantly make a space feel lighter and more inviting. Pair them with white, beige or light wood tones to keep everything balanced and elegant. If these ideas are inspiring you, don't forget to like the video and share it with friends who love decorating for Easter. How can I decorate my living room for Easter? Start with simple swaps, pastel cushion covers, floral throws, and Easter-themed centerpieces. Add fresh flowers in vases or faux blooms for longevity. Small bunny figurines or decorative eggs on shelves add charm without cluttering the space. What are easy Easter decoration ideas for small spaces? Focus on vertical decor like wreaths, wall hangings, or hanging egg garlands. A single Easter-themed tray on a coffee table or console can make a big impact. Keeping decorations minimal helps small spaces feel festive but not crowded. Tell us in the comments, which Easter color palette do you love the most? Soft pastels or neutral spring tones? How can I create a beautiful Easter table setting? Layer your table with a pastel or floral runner, coordinated plates and fabric napkins. Add decorative eggs, small bunny accents or mini flower arrangements as centerpieces. Natural elements like woven placemats or wooden trays elevate the look instantly. What are creative Easter centerpiece ideas? Use a mix of fresh flowers, decorative eggs, and candles for a balanced centerpiece. Glass bowls filled with pastel eggs or nests with faux birds create visual interest. Keep the height low so guests can easily interact across the table. For more seasonal table and home decor inspiration, explore our full Easter decor playlist linked in the description. How can kids be included in Easter decorating? Let kids paint Easter eggs, create paper garlands, or help arrange baskets. These activities make decorating more meaningful and fun for the whole family. Displaying their creations also adds a personal and joyful touch to your decor. What What are budget-friendly Easter decoration ideas? DIY projects work wonderfully. Painted jars, handmade egg garlands, or recycled baskets. Use items you already own and refresh them with ribbons or paint. Simple changes can transform everyday decor into something festive. Subscribe to the channel for more budget-friendly, creative, and seasonal decoration ideas all year round. How can I decorate my entryway for Easter? An Easter wreath on the door sets the tone instantly. Inside, place a small console display with flowers, eggs, and a welcoming sign. This creates a warm first impression for guests as soon as they arrive. How do I decorate for Easter while keeping it elegant? Stick to a limited colour palette and focus on quality over quantity. Choose subtle Easter accents instead of loud prints. Soft florals, neutral bunnies, and clean arrangements keep the decor classy and timeless. If you enjoy this style of decor, you'll love our other Easter and spring decoration videos. Check them out in the description. How can outdoor spaces be decorated for Easter? Decorate porches or balconies with flower pots, pastel lanterns, or bunny figurines. Outdoor wreaths and garden flags add seasonal charm. Even small outdoor touches make your home feel festive from the outside. What are modern Easter decoration trends this year? Minimalist designs, neutral tones, and natural materials are trending. Think ceramic eggs, linen textures, dried florals, and subtle Easter motifs. These trends keep decor stylish while still feeling festive. Loved the decor pieces you see here? You'll find similar products linked in the description for easy shopping. How can I decorate without making it feel cluttered? Choose a few focal areas instead of decorating every corner. Keep surfaces clean and allow each decor piece to breathe. This approach keeps your home looking intentional and polished. How long should Easter decorations stay up? Most people decorate 1 to 2 weeks before Easter and keep decor until the end of the holiday week. Soft spring decor can stay longer by removing overt Easter symbols while keeping florals and pastels. What's the simplest way to refresh Easter decor every year? Rotate colours, change centerpiece styles, or update small accents. You don't need to buy everything new, just mix and match creatively. Small changes can make your Easter decor feel brand new each year. Easter decorations are about celebrating joy, renewal, and togetherness. Whether you prefer playful, family-friendly decor or elegant modern styling, the right touches can completely transform your home. Start small, stay creative, and let your space reflect the happiness of the season. If this video inspired you, hit like and share it with someone planning their Easter decor. Comment below and tell us your favourite Easter decoration idea from today's video. Explore our full Easter decor playlist linked in the description for even more ideas. Subscribe for weekly home decor inspiration, seasonal styling tips, and creative ideas. Watch more Easter and spring decor videos, hand-picked for you in the description. Find decor pieces featured in this video through the product links in the description.